Hey guys, today I organized my kitchen. I'm going to show you how I did it. It's super easy. Helps a lot when you cook a lot. So let's carry on. So as you can tell, today I organized my spice cabinet. This makes life so much easier. When you want to find something, it's labeled. You don't have to go through little bags and look for stuff that's missing. If something's missing, then you know that you have to refill stuff like the paprika. I'm coming to the end. I don't have to buy some paprika, but basically this is what I did. I pretty much put everything that I use on a daily basis up front. And at the back of that, tried red peppers, I have cloves, cinnamon sticks. So everything's neatly organized. I have my lime juice, I have my lemon juice. On this side I have my coffee and sugar. I don't drink this coffee anymore since we have a Keurig, so I just make my Keurig here with the coffee right there. But what it is basically is salt and pepper here. These are ones that are smaller quantities. Ground cinnamon, whole coriander, fried onions, mustard seeds, whole cumin seeds, coriander powder, cumin powder, cayenne pepper. So pretty much got everything here. And it may seem like it's a little OCD, but trust me, when it comes to cooking, it's so much easier to find, so much easier to do things. So these bottles are the Ball bottles. You can buy it anywhere at Walgreens, Walmart, Sam's Club, Costco. They're super cheap, and we have uniform bottles. I just got one of these mailing sticker thingies and just typed in all my spices there, and now it's at my fingertips. Hope you guys like the idea. Hope you guys try this at home, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's carry on.